How to change accounts on Rainbow Six Sage PC. For this, go ahead and launch your Rainbow Six Sage on your Steam. So once you are in your Steam, it itself do not have the option of changing accounts. However, you have to do it with your Ubisoft. For that, go ahead and open a preferred browser and search for www.ubisoft.com. So you have to go ahead and launch your Ubisoft. Here, tap on Ubisoft Connect. If you are using a Steam, you probably are logged into your Ubisoft account. So what you have to do is you have to log out from your account, then again tap on log in. However, this time add the email address or the password of the account that you want to change into. If you do not have the account that you want to change into, at the very top you will see the option of create an account. You can easily go ahead and tap on create an account. Then just go ahead and enter email address, confirm your email address, your password, your Ubisoft username and your date of birth. Also accept the Ubisoft terms and conditions, and just like that your account will be formed. And you can change in between those accounts. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.